Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I did this purple cut crease look. We're going to be using the NYX Sugar Trip Squad palette, but the first thing we're going to do is tape our eyes so we get that really nice sharp look. I'm going to go with this purple right here and I'm just going to blend that on my brow bone. Make sure you're bringing this all the way to the outer corner of your eye, following that tape line. Then I'm going to go with this darker purple right here and blend that into the crease. I'm going to use an angle brush because it keeps it nice and neat, but then I'm just going to buff it out with a blending brush. To darken up that crease, I use this maroon color. Again, I use an angle brush and then buffed it out with the blending brush. Then I'm just going to cut out that crease, making sure to bring it all the way out to the outer corner, following the tape. I'm going to set the concealer with the lightest color right here. Then to add some sparkle to this look, I'm using the Revlon Photo Ready IR in Steel Spark. And to really make this look shine, I use the NYX Cosmetics Loose Glitter in Violet. To do a quick wing, I use Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner in black. Just be really gentle with this because it could move the glitter around. Then I smoke that wing out with that maroon color. Again, be gentle with this. Peel off that tape, and I'm just going to pop the rest of my makeup on. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have our concealer on, we can do that lower lash line. I'm going to start with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Vice. Then I'm going to blend it out with that purple color and darken it with the maroon. For lashes, I'm using Sumptuous Beauty Lashes in style Beijing. And lastly, lip. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in Dusty Mauve. And that's it guys, here's the finished look. If you like my channel and you want to see more, please subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.